Hello, this is Card Cartoons, and today I'm going to be drawing a warrior knight character, or at least a warrior robot knight character. Like pretty much like a Gundam or mech or something. First, I'm going to start with the head. Wait, it's too large. Yeah, this box is too hard. First, start with the head. I can draw the box body. Now I'm going to draw the waist. Draw. I actually take like random shapes and try to create a character like that. I usually do that with my robot characters. Because sometimes robots are like combining random shapes and stuff. And then draw the legs. Then I'm going to draw the arms. I'm going to like draw the sword right here. It's a pretty long sword. Nah, I'm not going to draw like that. I'm going to redo this. I'm going to draw his actual arm. His hand, like an actual hand. Then I'm going to draw the sword. Yep. I'm still not finished yet because I have to, improve on the sword a little bit. Kind of looks like a club than a sword. Swords need to be pointy. Kind of like that. Just make it into a club. Why not? Let's see. Should draw. I'm just going like it is. Let's see. See if we can add more. Change it a little bit. Is this a random idea in my head that I came up today? I can also have like a you know what? I can always have them like this. And it'd be like a rocket launcher on its back. Now with the sword. Yep. kind of like a robot warrior character that just randomly came up in my head. Yep. And I had to make a lot of corrections because I just decided to randomly draw today. Usually when I make random drawings, and this is a practice drawing of how to draw random shapes and stuff. So I create a character like that. And I'm just going by today. And make sure to like and subscribe because it's really needed for my content channel. And that's it.